Hey guys, okay, so we're going to give you a bit of a shop update. We got behind here, like I said, so sorry about that. It's kind of messed up, so you guys missed out on a few things, but we're back on track. We got you covered. We're going to give you even more, bigger and better things in the future here. And that's it. I don't know what's bigger or better, but who fucking knows. Anyway, come take a look. Okay, so what's going on here is we got a little 52 Pontiac that my friend Irv brought in. It's got the LS engine in it. It's actually a newer one. It's the aluminum block engine, even though it's painted up black, you can't tell. He's had it all rebuilt. It's got some good horsepower behind it, so he claims. So it'll be quite exciting to see what's going on there. It's got the 8.8 diff in the back. That seems to be what everybody's using these days out of the old Ford Exploders. So Chris had the diff out. Chris took it all out, and he went through it all, resealed it all, put everything new in it for brakes, did all the leaf springs, cleaned all those up. They're all new, of course, and put her back together. So he took the engine out of it just the other day, and now we got to get in here. You can see it's got the Mustang too. It's got all the disc brakes and all that, but they're kind of rusty looking. That's how it was when it came here. So Irv wants us to take that apart, clean that up, paint it up. He's going to make this a nice streetable car, he says, just something to drive on the street. But I mean, if you know Irv, his street cars are like show cars. Now my cars are street cars, but this is like a show car. So that's what it'll end up being. Oh yeah. So then we got this little Chevy pickup that you remember. I don't know if you do remember this. We were doing this for a gentleman named Tim. He wanted everything gone. All the gutters have been shaved all the way around, welded it up. He just wanted the nice peak. The dash has been all blanked out inside, as you can see. What he wants us to do next, actually now after we've done all the work, he wants me to weld the dash solid here. He doesn't want the line there. So we're going to weld up the dash across there for him. We got to suicide the doors. Yes, the doors need to be suicide. So we got to get onto that. But what we're doing right now is Sean and I are actually hanging the doors to make sure they open and close properly. Just to make sure nothing is out of whack on the cab. Then once we know that's all fine, then we'll begin the suiciding on them. So that ought to be fun. I'm not looking forward to it, but what the hell. They did a thing on Roadkill. Is it Roadkill? You guys must know out there. They did a thing on a 58 Chev pickup where they're actually do a video showing them do it. So that's the nice thing about YouTube. Even I'm going to learn off it. Even here you can see he had the wipers. This is normally you have the nice lines that go throughout here. Got me to weld that up. Now he wants me to actually weld this so it's not even removable off of here. So that's the next thing on there, and you can see the firewall is completely blanked out. So that's what's going on. Now, the 36 Ford. The 36 Ford, yeah, the car that's been here a lifetime. Oh my God, is so close to being done. It is so close. Like, look at, I've got my table set up here. I've had it set up for a week with every little nut and bolt so I can figure out what the fuck is what. And then I've got just these few parts here. So, finally, the bumper came in. I got a bumper on the rear. I'm waiting on a latch for the deck lid before I can put the handle on. I've got the door handles on it. I had the window frames all completely polished, picked those up, glasses getting put in those right now. Put the braces under the fenders where they belong, got that done. Started figuring out all the little latches to assemble the hood. Got the hood all assembled, sitting off to the side in the shed. The hood's all assembled. Obviously the headlight bucket is out. I'm waiting on headlights. And got the door handle on this side. Door lock is down there waiting. Got quite a bit of stuff on this car. But at the end of the day, with this car, if there's one thing I don't do is I don't take credit for something I didn't do. So at the end of the day, I did some of this car, a little bit of it, very little of it. But at the end of the day, Lisa was the one who assembled all this car. And she did a damn mighty fine job of it. So I'm just pointing out the small little things that I've been onto, because every video before this, you've always seen Lisa working on it. So she did a damn good job, awesome job. Thank God she took care of the worst of it, and now I get just a little piddly shit. I didn't want to deal with the hood, but I forced Chris into helping me with the hood. So that's what's going on. So there's what's going on at this part of the shop. And yeah, we'll get back to you. We'll show you some more. Instagram was lost, went missing, whatever. Who gives a fuck? Who gives a shit? We'll just start it all over. It is now Rick's_Old Time Garage, all one word. Rick's_Old Time Garage. So if you guys are out there and you are watching and viewing me, there you go. Hook back up. I'm out there. Like I said, we're going to be doing some different kind of posting now. We're going to do some different videos. I'm going to take you guys to some car shows, some swap meets. I'm going to take you guys everywhere that I can take you that is anything related to deal with cars or even the lifestyle itself. That's what we're going to do here. We're going to kick it up a notch at OTG here. So anyway, thanks again for all you subscribers. Big thumbs up. Get out there and build yourself something, because I know after all these bloody fucking years, pardon the language, I am finally going to build some of my shit. I'm finally going to get onto it. Oh, it's about time. So look forward to that too, guys. Okay, see you later.